Have you ever got a chance to watch a boat race? These boats are over 100 feet long, with nearly 100 rowers working in perfect harmony. As the race begins, something magical happens. Every single rower moves as one. Their oars hit the water in perfect synchronization. The rhythm, the timing, the direction, everything is unified. And when they do this, the boat doesn't just move, it flies across the water like a graceful serpent. But here's what fascinated me most. I watched one boat where just a few rowers were out of sync. Despite having equally strong individuals, that boat struggled, lagged behind, and ultimately lost the race. My dear colleagues, we are that boat. Each one of us homeopaths is a skilled rower with our own strength, our own expertise, our own passion for healing. But are we rowing in the same direction? Think about it. When we work in isolation, when we compete instead of collaborate, when we follow different approaches without coordination, we're like those out of sync rowers. We may be individually strong, but our collective progress suffers. But imagine if we came together. Imagine if every homeopath, every clinic, every institution moved with the same rhythm, shared the same vision, followed coordinated approaches. Just like those synchronized rowers, we wouldn't just move forward, we would surge ahead. When we unite, our individual practices grow stronger through shared knowledge. Our patients receive more consistent, quality care. Our research becomes more impactful. Our voice in healthcare becomes louder and clearer. Our system gains the respect and recognition it truly deserves. In that Kerala boat race, victory didn't belong to the strongest individual rower, it belonged to the most united team. The same principle applies to us. Our success isn't just about individual brilliance, it's about collective harmony. So I ask you today, are you ready to be part of this synchronized movement? Are you ready to row together in the same direction with the same passion towards the same goal of advancing homeopathy? Because when we come together as one unified force, there's no limit to how far our beautiful system of homeopathy can go. Just like those magnificent snake boats cutting through the Kerala backwaters, we too can glide forward with grace, power, and unstoppable momentum. The question is not whether we can do it individually. We know we can. The question is, how much more can we achieve together? Thank you, and let's start rowing as one team today.